csv.Error, Iterator should return strings, not bytes. Sample.csv contains the following. And the Python file contains the following code. When I run the above code in Python, I get the following exception. File csv format.py, line 4, info row in read, _csv.error, iterator should return strings, not bytes. Did you open the file in text mode? How can I fix it?
You open the file in text mode. More specifically, good guesses for encoding is ASCII and UTF-8. You can also leave the encoding off, and it will use the system default encoding, which tends to be UTF-8, but maybe something else.
Your problem is you have the B in the open flag. The flag AT or read text is the default, so, using the context manager, simply do this. The context manager means you don't need generic error handling, without which you may get stuck with the file open, especially in an interpreter, because it will automatically close the file on an error, or on exiting the context. The above is the same as or.
The reason it is throwing that exception is because you have the argument RB, which opens the file in binary mode. Change that to R, which will by default open the file in text mode. Your code. New code.
I had this error when running an old Python script developed with Python 2.6.4. When updating to 3.6.2, I had to remove all RB parameters from open calls in order to fix the CSV reading error.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.